That was Ariane 1, which launched on the 24th of December 1979. Some of you will remember that. The final countdown started just over 9 hours ago. The mobile gantry was withdrawn about 3 hours and 15 minutes ago. It took 45 minutes to do that. Coming up to 1 minute.
À tous de DDO, attention pour moins 1 minute. Top, à 0 moins 1 minute.
We are 1 minute to launch. Our very best wishes to all the teams, to the Mohammed VI-A satellite teams and the Kingdom of Morocco, to the industrial consortium led by Thales Alenia Space and Airbus, and to the teams on the ground who are waiting to take over the satellite. Let's sit back now and watch the launch. Our very best wishes.
À tous de DDO, attention pour les deux comptes finales. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, top. À image P80, décollage.
They are off. The Mohammed VI-A satellite is on its way. Vega number 11 is blazing a trail across the equatorial skies over the Guyana Space Center. He's telling us the propulsion is normal. We're heading direct north, out towards the Caribbean. It's actually 89 tons. Bottom of the screen, our altitude on the left, 53 kilometers above Earth. Our distance is a straight line if you were to draw
Séparation P80.
A straight line from the pad.
Allumage Z23.
And here we are separating the first stage, it's burnt its fuel, and we've switched on now the second stage.
Pilotage est calme.
And top right-hand side is the trajectory, showing us the flight path, if you like, and the white cross is the actual position of the launch vehicle.
Séparation Z23.
Separation of the Z23.
Allumage Z9.
Ignition of the next stage coming up, the Z9. There it goes. And then we can expect the fairing, the nose of the vehicle, to fall away. So we no longer need the fairing because we are effectively in space. We don't have enough friction anymore to cause us any difficulties, so the satellite is safe to be exposed to space. Now, Vega is particularly well suited to launching Earth observation satellites. And the first 3 contracts for Vega C are a constellation for Airbus, an Earth observation satellite, and a Cosmo SkyMed second generation, which was also built by Thales Alenia Space. Separation now of the Z9 third stage. So the main propulsion phase of the flight is now over. We've got away from the Earth in real time. So the Avum upper stage is waiting to switch on its engine. Here we go. Scheduled.
Premier allumage Avum.
And we have confirmation that the Avum upper stage has now switched its engine on for the first of 2 burns. It's going to burn for nearly 8 minutes. So we started the next phase of the journey. Observation from space is vital for helping us to better understand our planet, and the M6-A satellite will play an important part in that. Morocco is a modern society focused on the future with a very real commitment to environmental principles. And of course they hosted COP22 in Marrakesh this time last year. And if you've been to Morocco, you will know that it is a truly magnificent for helping us to better understand our planet. And the M6-A satellite will play an important part in that. Morocco is a modern society focused on the future with a very real commitment to environmental principles. And of course they hosted COP22 in Marrakesh this time last year. And if you've been to Morocco, you will know that it is a truly magnificent country with mountains, beaches, deserts, and it has a rich and important biodiversity and a long cultural history spanning several thousand decades. It's blessed with breathtaking landscapes.